Good morning, welcome to my garden. Today I'll show you about my beautiful enhancement in this side because I have seen last week that some of my philodendrons are really suffering from the heavy rains, and there are philodendrons that don't want to suffer from rotting, most especially in the rainy season. So I transferred my philodendron that I put in this side, and I transferred here, and I also provided a wonderful stand. This is our furniture, a bamboo, made of bamboo. So I transferred my philodendron. This is a black cardinal, a local type. I bought this one in Tagum City, amounting of 5,000 pesos with only 4 leaves, but now it's really growing. I have propagated this one last year, and sad to say, unfortunately, my propagation wasn't successful because I neglected the procedures, including also the care tips. I did not care about the mother plant and also the new shoots. So everything was gone. Now it's only one file here. And there is also a black cardinal that I bought in Tagum. That's a Thailand variety, and because of the climate, the environment, the adaptation of the environment, it's dead. It's only one file here, and this is not really good in the absorption of too much water, so I transfer this one. Aside from that, this philodendron doesn't want to be exposed in direct sunlight, so it's really fastidious. That is why I transfer this one here. And also my Hosibono, this philodendron is only one pot here. This is newly propagated because the node really almost 10 inches really rotted, so I decided to propagate this one. Hopefully it will really give a fast recovery here. And some of my bombastic plant, my Dieffenbachia, I put in here on the other side to add more